How to upload file to Dropbox app. So I have it opened right here. Click on show hidden icons. You'll see Dropbox. If you don't see this, you need to open it up first. Search here Dropbox and then click on open, right? And then you can access it through here. So this is my Dropbox. What I need to do basically is click on this folder icon, Dropbox folder, right? Now, anything I want to go ahead and upload right here, for example, on this folder, test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'll come here and this is what you want to do. You can just come and drag and drop any file you want. For example, I want to upload this, drag it and drop it to this folder, our Dropbox folder. And if you come here back to the icon tray and you scroll up, you will see that I have just added this Hyundai logo, right? And it's really that easy and simple, guys.